Jonah. Jonah, come on, Jonah. Come here, Jonah. Take some steps. Come on, Jonah. My little crippled chicken. Come on, boy. Come on. Are you just going to stand there? Come on, Jonah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Take a Oh, there we go. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Come on, Jonah. Come on. I know you want to come. Well, come here, Timon. Come on. Come on. Come on, big boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Jonah. Oh, ho, ho. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here, big boy. Come on. Hello. Hello, Jonah. Oh. Good boy. Come on. Come on. You got it. You're almost there. Come on. Big steps. Big steps. Come on. Come on, Jonah. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. Good boy, Jonah. Good boy. Oh, sweetheart. Yes, you're doing so good. Here, I thought you were just going to die. You were so crippled, and your feet kept getting stuck in your wings, and I don't know, I prayed for you. Remember, Jonah? I prayed for you in the morning, and I asked the Lord to heal you and help you to start walking. And within, it seemed like a very short period of time, you were eating and drinking and standing sort of up. I had to help you, but every day got better. And I think God healed you, Jonah. That's what I think. You're so special, my little boy. Oh, oh, Jonah. So at Gramma Roses Aviaries, this is the second bird that the Lord has healed. The first one was Spirit, who remains 6 years later, going on 7, our very, very special Arabian trumpeter pigeon. And she was prayed for by Sarah Tungate, who prayed that God would heal her neck, and he did. The next morning, crooked neck, had a healed neck, and we named her Spirit. And so here's Jonah. So we named him Jonah, kind of like out of the belly of the whale came Jonah. Jonah. Okay. I'm so happy. His first steps were today. And it's been going on 2 weeks.